So question 2, we have solved the system equations. If the system has no solution, say that it's inconsistent. Graph the lines of the system. So again, consistent and independent means there is a solution, and that solution is going to be described by an ordered pair. There's going to be an x coordinate and a y coordinate. So x is going to equal something, and y is going to equal something. So consistent and independent means there's infinitely many solutions. So the solution there is just going to be the equation of the line. And then inconsistent means the two lines are parallel, which means there's no solutions in common. So if I look at this, I have 4x equals 24, and I have x plus 2y equals 0. So if I look at the first equation, 4 times x equals 24, notice how this would be easy to solve for x. So if I have 4x equals 24, divide both sides by 4, 24 divided by 4 should be 6. So rather quickly, we've already found x equals 6. So then all I got to do is substitute this in to the second equation. So the 6 is going to go in for x in the other equation. So this now turns into 6 plus 2y is equal to 0. So if I subtract 6 on both sides, 2y is equal to negative 6. Divide both sides by 2, y would equal then negative 3. So notice how there is a solution here. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to negative 3. So that order pair would be 6, negative 3. So it's going to be a solution. So if I want to graph this, so I want to graph these two lines, if you will. So 4x equals 24, notice how x equals 6 would be a way to graph that. So notice how we have 6, negative 3 would be one ordered pair. So 6, negative 3 would be one ordered pair. A second solution, you could just use 6, 0. Because as long as x doesn't change, that's going to be the equation of line. So remember, x equals 6, we talked about vertical asymptotes and things like that. That represents a vertical line. So if I want to draw a vertical line here, we can. It's just going to pass through here. Don't need it that long. So the second equation, if I want, I could try to find the y-intercept of the second equation. So if I set x equals 0, you're going to have, so the y-intercept is going to be 2y is equal to 0. So in other words, y is equal to 0. That's going to be the y-intercept. So you can graph 6, negative 3, and then 0, 0. And that would be the second equation. So if we kind of put that in there, we can kind of see the two equations. So this is said to be, let's see if I get that to go through there. That looks a little better. Well, anyway, so it should be passing through 0, 0, and 6, negative 3. Mine's off a little bit, but it should look something to that effect. So that's the point of intersection is the solution to both equations.